The Vault is an online and brick and mortar retailer specializing in trick and pro level kick scooters, as well as parts, accessories, and soft goods. My name is Mike Goldberg, and I'm the Vice President of Development and Technical Operations at the Vault Pro Scooters. We were essentially a brick and mortar that, given demand, was exploding. And with that comes a lot of different challenges, not just in the physical, but in the digital space. We're coming up on 10 years of operations. Business was just focused on being able to do the volume of anybody who could come into the store. And we eventually realized that our particular industry was underserved in other communities. And, the only way you can reach them from where we were was online sales. Nick, our owner and president, got in early on the e-commerce game, and it's really skyrocketed our business. If a child were to send this link to a parent and say, "Dad, this is what I want," we want the dad to get to the page, look at it, and go, "This seems like a complete buy on its own," because our goal is obviously the second they land on the page, if they see the price, it's within their budget, that they're going to add to cart and hopefully complete checkout. Parts that Acumatic and Magento solved were growing business pains. And so we knew we wanted a partner who was just reachable when we were operating. We wanted faster responses, faster wires, faster estimates. Those were the bigger things for us. As an e-commerce platform, Magento was just a little bit more polished than what we were already on. It's easy to build an online site and it feel very cookie cutter. We were using, templated blog pages with sales listings and a cart. So things like inventory management, both physically in the warehouse setting as well as digitally, being able to expand to other sales channels, bookkeeping was a big one, as well as content management on the digital platform. Just, real people was kind of the main reason of going with a partner like Kensium. Just making sure that the people who you're going to put a Kensium badge on are reputable and capable. That support team that we're being handed off to is also Kensium branded. That gave us a lot of confidence into what we would be able to do. Why are we doing so much work? Why are we manually pulling these reports when we're paying X amount? Somewhere along the way, there should be a system that can do this for us.